Good morning. Hello. Hello, everybody. Walter, hello there. Alicia, hey, tell me good morning. Natasha, hello, beautiful morning. Naomi, welcome. Good to see you, Naomi. Farhad is here. Good morning. Green, hello. Ollie is back. Mr. Tabelka is in the house. The one and only. Celebrity. TLA Trader, good to see you, man. How's it going? Newsbook Boots. Hey. Oh, yeah, there you go. I'm taking this shift right now. And Alex is here. Good morning. No. Not now, Jonathan. Not now. Greg, good morning. Good morning. Hugh Sky, welcome. Jason. Send me your email. Details are gonna be sent. Okay. Make sure it's gonna be a fast delivery, so I don't want to wait for 2 weeks or something. All right. Thank you. All right. Let's see what is going on. What is going on? Are we going higher or lower? One thing's for sure. I noticed this in the past, I would say a couple of years. We're going to go right. So this, 100%. This is the direction. So whatever happens. Panties for an account. Yeah. Okay. It seems like we made a low here, but we also have, I would say this, I would call this as Asia low. At 705. I think it can go there. Super easy. So I think it's just, I think it will take out that low. Not quite sure, but I think it will. Oh yeah, it's going for it. It's going for it. Yeah, pre-FOMC range. So far, I think Asia low could be a target. And we also have a fair value gap. I know we also have this low at 686. Maybe. I mean, could be. What a range here yesterday. Yeah, Naomi. No, don't worry. It's just I don't know. I mean that's you know. let's move on. Hello, teacher FX. What up? Good to see you. Now you know. 705 is pretty close. I think it might want to take that. I'm switching in between the 5 and the 1 minute. By the way, if anybody's still on the old contract, let me check the volume as of yesterday. Oh yeah, we are definitely on the new contract now. As you see, the volume switched, roll over to the June contract, so that's it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Greg. Satoshi, welcome. Let's see. 705 there. 690, 685. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, Greg. I appreciate that. This level here could be interesting later at 740. But anyway, let's see the higher time frames. open and high is basically a flat candle. Flat candle on the 1 hour, 15, 30, and 5. So that's a flat candle. Could be significant for later. All right, let's see the 1 hour chart. What is this? High is 38.25. Okay, we have a very shorter block up there, starting at 9.27. Let's just mark that up for future reference. 9.28. What's the open here? 28.50. Okay, so that's where it starts. 28.50. I assume that there is some trendline liquidity below these levels. Let's just go back to the 5-minute. I'm just checking something. Yeah, it definitely seems like we're gonna take that 705 now. I think that you don't have to switch on gold for now, so you're still good. Yeah, gold switch is gonna be later. I can check it, but the gold switch should be later. Yeah, there's nothing there. So you're good. Yeah, don't switch. All right, going lower. This day started perfectly. Oh, nice. I really hope so. I really, really hope so. Marco, good morning. Should be taking that 705 now. Come on. Come on. I'm not in a trade, but I really hope that it will take that level. It's getting very close. Almost there. I think it took it, right? Lasciare cantare. Alright. What's the low on the mini? I'm curious. 705. So it didn't go for it, actually. It didn't go for it. I think the mini, I mean, sorry, the micro, 705.25, the low here actually took that. Checking it closer. Anyway. I would say that's a possible Asia low down there. Hey, Pion Mendez, good to see you. What up? What up? Okay, watching the 5-minute chart as well. All right, nothing specific. Went lower. What is going on? What is going on? I'm gonna be watching this level at 3 a.m. 738.75 on the micro. Just out of curiosity, you know. Shorted this thing 3 times at 27. That's a good position. Oh. It spiked up. Jeez. Yeah, I know how it, I know. The same thing happens to me as well. All the time. All the time. Oh, the pop. I mean, I was watching the Asia session price action here. All the way until here. And you know, I mean, it's kind of interesting to see what it does. Now I'm just curious if it wants to go lower to 685 or not. I guess we have to be careful. This is not a bullish order block, but it picked up liquidity from this gap and nicely pushed it up there. This was, yeah, this was after the reset. Where's the new day opening gap? Should be here somewhere, right? Yeah, somewhere here. Anyway, I kind of like that level, 738 as a low-hanging fruit. 738 as a low-hanging fruit. I do think there's a chance for it to go there. More volume behind near highs. Uh-huh. Still going lower. Well, it seems like 685 could be a target. This has just created a bearish order block. I think it's gonna go for 85 now. At least that's what it seemed like it. it? 90, 86.25. Yeah, I think it's... I think it might want to go lower, but I'm not sure. Oh no, it's going higher. Nice. Okay, repricing this order block. Let's see, it might want to break that high at 713. No, it's not at 713. But it could go to 20. There's a small gap on the mini at 22. I'm not sure if that means something, but it's definitely interesting. Ba-da-da-dum-ba-dum-bum. Ba-da-da-dum-ba-dum. Nothing special, by the way. The only level I really would like this one to go to is that 738. So seems like this is creating like a bearish, bullish breaker. We'll see. Mexican John Wick is here. What up? Inverse head. Could be. Could be. I'm watching this one. It actually can be a nice entry here. But no, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me set this up. Maybe I take a long entry. Yeah, I took a long. I took a long at 710. And we'll see how it goes, right? Let me show you. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Let's go 710. Let's go, Natasha. The plan is excellent. I like it. No losing trades for the day. I like that. I like it. We don't have any news in the London session, right? So Steve, it's up to you if you can go with small position size. Yeah, it's definitely a good idea. Obviously, the target is much more achievable mathematically speaking, so it's actually not a bad idea. if you obviously there's a little smaller room to trade, but as I said, if you go with only micros and you can manage it properly, then yeah, it's absolutely it's a good choice. I need a little bit more, so I like the 50Ks. That's why. But now I'm trading 150K Take Profit Trader Pro account as well. So Gamecraft. Hey, what is going on? Hey, congrats on I saw the other day on Twitter your accounts. Good job, man. Congratulations. Import prices are non-market event. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's see. So far, as I look at it, on the 5, I think the draw on liquidity, if not now, but sooner or later, should be the 738. But first, we might go down, take out some lower levels. We'll see. But I do like that level. So I get payout from them to buy myself. Let's see. Yeah, congratulations. I mean, Steve, that's a good plan. Look at 780 on the 5-minute. Pare, good morning. Well, not too much. 780. Up there. I like it. Kind of an interesting level, like look at these levels. How price got rejected in this zone. I would say if I would be trading like support and resistance, or which is absolutely good. I mean, this area was, look at the rejection from here at this 780 level. Definitely some orders are resting up there. I think. 10K tick chart shows that 600 may hit. Oh, okay. I have to be prepared then. Yeah. Yeah, so far this trade is, well, it is what it is. But if it goes lower, then I'm gonna wait for the 685 to be hit. We'll see. Actually, what's the low there? The low is 86.25. I'm just gonna put a line there. 86.25 for future reference. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, today is FOMC day. Yeah. So don't trade before. Is it going to be a press conference as well? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Press conference. Let's go. Jerome Powell is going to... He's going to be... Well... He's going to be pulling his pants off. And you know what he's going to do. Oh, here it is. So this is what's going to happen today as Jerome Powell. I know I always play this. So just watch this because this is exactly what is going to happen today.
Good afternoon.
All right. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All he has to say is good afternoon, and the markets are going to absolutely smash everybody. Yeah, exactly. But Jerome Powell has the biggest power over these movements. He just comes in, opens up his book or papers, looks into the camera, good afternoon, and the markets boom explode, and then just he walks out like Clint Eastwood, and that's it. Yeah, yeah. And we are gonna be like this, you know, when we put on trades at FOMC, this is gonna be us, some of us.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
So, this is exactly how it's gonna play out. I'm just saying. Monkey. Just saying, you know, that is what's gonna happen. Wow, this was a fast charge. My new phone just charged up in like 35 minutes or something, fully. Well, it wasn't completely drained, but he says the truth. Yeah, he usually does, right? Anyway. He's like a mirror. Oh yeah, definitely. The reality. Fade the initial move as the option players will close out their positions. Oh yeah, I by the way, I really have to look into these option things because some movements, especially around contract expiries or something, I don't know, I'm really not an expert on this, but there are some tendencies going on which are affecting vice versa, options affecting the futures markets. And so I really have to look into that. I have to learn about that, so because that's kind of interesting. Oh, thank you, TLA Trader. Let me write this down. Let me write that down. I have to put this somewhere. Cam Carson. Thank you. Cam Carson. Options structure trading. All right. Thank you. Let's see. Breakaway gap. Price won't come down. Feels you have a tighter stop. What? And I'm not gonna move my stop. Even if I lose, I don't care if I lose this trade. I'm gonna move on to the next one. It's alright. 4K trade that didn't appear in the trading view? What? Oh. Oh. That's interesting. But hey, 4K trade. Wow. Natasha, I don't know. I mean, you're killing it. The 315 candle. Could be. I'm a little bit scared of the 320 thing since Bowser is doing it for quite a while. I'm a little bit scared about that time zone as well. Or time. Not shift. I don't know the exact word, but I'm scared about this area. At 315, 320. Some crazy things can happen. By the way, this trade is on a funded account. It's on a funded account. Brand new. Take Profit Trader funded account. So, unfortunately, still a lot to go. But hey, at least it's on a funded. Even if I lose, I don't care. The risk? I'm risking about 140 bucks right now. It doesn't say here, I cannot do anything with it. But it's about 140 bucks, my stop loss. My TP is about 250, 60 or something. I don't know. So it's not, I'm not even sure. Let me check. So the stop loss 56. It actually could be about 270 or 80 bucks. 5 micros. Oh no. I requested the Apex payout, by the way, so kind of curious how that's gonna go. I think it's already under review, so I'm expecting it to be under review all the way until next week at least. I think for a week. Usually now they are putting it under review for a week on average. Gerard, good morning. Hello. How are you doing this morning? Good to see you. Hey, Bessem, what up? What's going on? Uh-oh, it's not looking good. Okay then, no problem. So if it goes down, I get it. Okay. Then we could be going for that 685 then, which is unfortunate. What can I do? Not much. I don't really want to move my stop, to be honest, so I'm trying to get this money. All right. Hey, Karsten. You have brought long. All right. Good luck to you as well. Good to see you on the stream as always. Apex Bet usually under review for a day, but last time they were asked videos. Oh, the past of me trading the past 3 trading days. Wow. Usually my Apex payout requests are under review for a week. About a week. But interesting that now they asking for videos. Sebastian, hey, morning from Slovenia. Hey. Slovenian brother from another mother. What's going on? Hey. Good to see you. Actually, neighbor. Slovenian neighbor. Yeah, hopefully not. If they do, I can, point them to my YouTube or I don't know. Oh, so there you go. Oh no, this trade is, this is down the drain. Now what I'm gonna do? I thought that it's gonna take out that 80, what's that level? 86, I think. 86.25. No, I think it's 86.50. Not even sure. Anyway, what can we do, right? There's also a flat candle down at, let me show you. There's a flat candle down here. 67.50. No, not exactly a flat candle. Open 67.75, so 1 tick lower. Anyway, unfortunate for me, but gotta move on. I still like that level, 738, but now I'm just gonna wait. Whoa! Alex Futures Traders, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Any new things? Well, let's see. New things. No. Unfortunately, nothing. I started, since I had that diarrhea, it helped me a little bit to start a diet. So I'm on a diet right now, and which is not specially a specific diet. I'm just cutting down the carbohydrates and the sugar, and I'm not drinking like, what's that called? I don't know. I have to use Google Translate. Syrup with soda. We're drinking syrup with soda, but I was drinking syrup with sweetener with soda. So now I'm also cutting sweetener and all that such, and yeah, I have to start it somehow. Guys, I am extremely overweight. I have to do something about it, and I'm gonna go after the stream. I'm gonna go to the gym, of course. I'm going to the gym, by the way, but now only like 2 days a week or 3. I have to push it up to 4 times, or go to longer walks or something. I don't know. The problem is, it doesn't matter if I go to the gym. And my friend told me it doesn't matter anything if I go to the gym, if I come home and eat every crap I found in the fridge. So if I eat everything, it doesn't matter if I go to the gym. Alex Futures from Romania. Hey, hello neighbor. Hello. How's it going? It's nice to have people from around Europe here. Welcome. Yeah, I know, Tamimi. Can I ask, wait, do you trade MNQ when you're close? Oh, so why do I trade micro Nasdaq when New York is closed? Because I'm trading futures, trading with futures prop firms, and so far, except for the DEX, I mean, DEX is not available at most of these futures prop firms except Apex Trader, but you have to subscribe. But anyway, this is the only asset class or market, or I don't know what's it called. This is the only market that moves fairly reasonably during the London Open in the futures. So yeah, that is one of the reasons why I'm trading this outside the New York Open. I mean, I tried out, this is yen futures here. I was looking at yen futures as well, but look at how much it is gapped out. I mean, the candles are not so good looking, as you can see, because there's not enough volume. So the only place when there's still like considerable volume is Nasdaq or micro Nasdaq during these hours. And look at YM. Look at this. Look at how crappy YM is. Very bad. Also crude oil. It's not good. So I'm partially forced to stay with NQ at these hours. Yeah. Lots of Slavics here. That's good. Komodo Dragon. Wow. Oh my god, I haven't seen you for ages. Refund. Ask for a refund before I trade the account. Yes, they will give you. If you ask for a refund before you use the account, I think you will get it. I never asked for a refund from Bulenox, but I think as far as I know, from some people who were in the same situation, they got the refund. So I think, Komodo, you can just submit a request and they will refund you. DEX 2 years ago. I'm 100% with Nasdaq. Oh, I see. DEX you can also trade with. Oh, with TRADEIFY as well. Okay, thank you. Low volatility. I don't like low volatility. I mean, for example, speaking of volatility, look at ES also. I don't like when the candles are like this. This is because of the lack of volume. This is untradeable for me. I don't really like it. So I don't really prefer the low volume. Actually, I would prefer much bigger volume, but this is what we have. I mean, yeah. And so far, we're still just edging lower. No sign of this to turn around. I'm not going to jump in, that's for sure. Just going to wait for a shift or some kind of a structure to be built up. Hey, Poland is here. Delzik, what up, what up? EU50 is liquid. I don't have that. Eurox data, yeah. I think with Apex, we could be trading it. Okay, gonna try DEX on London. 604. we could. Previous day low. Not impossible. It's actually an AM session low, so 604. I mean, it's possible. Look at all this. I mean, look at the whole AM session. Actually, the whole day. Like, what a crap this was yesterday. I assume that there could be lots of liquidity and stops being placed in these levels. So honestly, there could be lots of orders down there. Could be waiting to be taken and picked up. So not sure. Yokozuna, hello. And Albert is here. Hello. There, I'm back to overkill. I've been busy. Whoa. Okay. Oh, triplets. Triplets, everybody. Komodo is having triplets. Oh my god. Triple trouble. We lost Komodo now. It's official. It's official. Komodo is lost. Goodbye. It was good knowing you. Awesome, man. Congratulations. Whoo. I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine. That is great. So what does today's rollover mean? It basically means that we are trading the new contract, the June contract. So we were trading the March contract, and as you can see, the volume is rolling over on the CME. This is from their website. The volume is rolling over to the new June contract. Basically, that's it. That's what it means. Oh yeah, triplets. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a real adventure for Komodo, I think. It's gonna be a real adventure. Keep us updated. Oh my. I'm super happy for you. That is awesome. We can get a 20-point bounce? Let's see. Oh. Excuse me. Let me check the 5-minute. We swept a little bit of a low here, and we also have, so we just created a 5-minute order block as well up there at 17. I do like it. So 5-minute order block. This is going to be a flat candle. Flat candles. 5-minute bearish order block. All right. Bravo, what up? Copy childing. Yeah, something like that, right? Komodo knows what he's doing. Should I be aggressive a little bit here? Maybe I could be. I could be aggressive. I might going to put a oh, what is happening? I mean, obviously we are close to the London low. I mean, London low, come on, man. The London open and the pre-market open. Maybe I should wait with placing a limit order here. Risk to reward ratio could be good. It's going higher. It's going higher. No stopping at this. Okay. Anyway, I'm watching this closely. Bravo, what up? Interested to see if price will get yesterday. Yeah, but that's something. Oh, hold on. I'm actually thinking to maybe enter here. I took an aggressive entry. 17. It's an aggressive entry. Small long position. Little bit aggressive because we are in the macro. We have the London Open, so everything is just ahead of us. Anyway, I took a bit of an aggressive entry. Can still spike down to those 70-ish area. Get funded. I bought 10 Bulenox account and I was able to pass 3 out of 10. 3 funded accounts. Would you recommend copy trading them? Fred, I would not copy trade them. I would not copy trade them. Sorry, I'm trying to read the chat. Trying to trade them separately for now. Get used to it, you know, Fred. That's what I would do. And then maybe later, or only copy trade with very small risk. Banks, what up? Blew your XFA up yesterday? Well, we have to learn. I did that on Monday, so I know it sucks, but hey, cheer up and have to learn from it, man. You know, you have to learn from it. Macro incoming. Yeah, we are in the macro, that's for sure. Yeah, 4 a.m. Good morning, Slim Trady. Good morning. Yeah, I love that. That's a cool name. The real Slim Trady. Please stand up. Oh, the daily looks heavy. It does. Oh. Well, we have some gaps up there, but it does look a little bit heavy. It does look a little bit heavy, to be honest. Anyway, let's see what the pre-market will have for us. Yeah, we have that flat candle up there. It's at 38.75. I have a feeling that it might go lower before the open. We have an order block above on the 15-minute. I mean, yeah. We have a 5-minute, there's a 15, and we have a flat candle. So I do like those levels, but if price just wants to sweep all this liquidity down there, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it would just go lower. Oh, look at that. So, yeah, it's a little bit of a risky situation, this long position. Okay, this has been rebalanced. There was a small little imbalance price range there. We have the down close candle now. I would really love to see this one going higher. That would really be awesome. Well, the waiting game, as always. Yonix, hello. What up? What up? Good to see you. All right. Let's wait for this. I mean, if we go lower, that's fine. What do we have down there? We still have low here. So now we have relative equal lows down there. Interesting area, that's for sure. I guess the market open will tell us, the pre-market open. Oh, this trade is absolutely going down the dumpster. What's the low here? Yeah, I'm closing it. I had to close it. I just had to close it. There was no other way around it. Let's wait for the pre-market open, I say. Who knows? Maybe we could be having a pop here. Waldo, good morning. Doing great. Buy this dip with a stop out, a new low. Oh, maybe that's an option. Anyway, 40 seconds for the London Open. And I think no, which level was that? Yeah, we have that 57.75 as the next low if it wants to go down. I'm not sure if it wants to. Anyway, let's wait for this. Let's see what it does. 5 seconds. Pre-market and London Open. Boom. Interesting. All right, nothing super special for now. Wow, this could be going all the way up there to what's that area? Up there to 17 maybe? Who knows? Yeah, that would be somewhere around 17. And now I messed up again by closing the position. No problem. But we have some good targets. Let's see if this is going to be a shift or not. Yeah, I closed it, Zinga. I closed it. No, I closed it earlier, so anyway. I'm just watching it now, trying to figure out if there's going to be a pullback or something. Not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. I don't think I'm gonna re-enter to this one. But this was a real push. How much was it from down there? 30 points instantly. That was a real kicker. I wonder if it wants to go up to that 5-minute bearish order block. And the flat candle is up there at 38. You know. Well, we'll see. Don't trust those equal lows. Yeah, I don't know. Feels weird, you know, that's 657 and it's just a little bit weird down there. Yeah, anyway. Gotta be careful here. There are some good targets, but I don't know if it wants to go back. Let me see the 5-minute. 5-minute looks okay. Still like that flat candle up there at 38. Right at the 3 a.m. candle open. Recent lowest target. Molo, what's going on? You're done? Oh my god. 1,000 times 5. Jesus. 5 Bulenox account. Get out of here. You're done for the day, Molo. Congratulations, man. This guy. Just the money printing machine. Oh, man. Interesting level now. Quite interesting. Could be going down. could be going down. This was a very intensive push. Whoa! Amp Trends. Hey, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. And the Dr. Shuttle and Dr. Shuttle show is here. The snake setup, exactly. Welcome, Gabriel. How you doing? Looking for maybe a re-entry, but first time, I mean, I don't know. I just wanna, I messed it up again, and I just can't re-enter. It would have been great, but oh man, let's just wait this out. The order block is at 17. Phoenix Trades, good morning. I wonder if it wants to mitigate that order block on the 5-minute. And it's not giving a displacement. Stop Loss Hunter, good morning. I'm doing okay. Just waiting here. I messed up one of my trades. I exited too early, and I'm just waiting for some kind of a displacement, but it's going to that order block for now. At least it seems like it. What the Forex? Good to see you. How you doing, What the Forex? Man. I do feel a bit of a FOMO. Where was my original TP? I think it was... I think my entry was here. My stop was down there. Oh man. The FOMO is kicking in. I have to calculate some risk. Missed my entry. I mean, not missed. I messed it up, not missed. VWAP close. Close. Where's the VWAP? Oh, look at that. I feel like that 738 could be where we're going. Not now, maybe, but later in the session. I think it could be a target. Yesterday, your trade wasn't invalidated. So exactly. You see, stop loss hunter? I did the same exact mistake as yesterday. I closed the trade because I got cold feet. I got scared down there because we were so I closed it manually right here. As soon as I closed it, boom. Exactly. 733. Yeah. I call 738, by the way. Personalized guarantee. 738. But not in this session. Maybe for later. The same exact mistake as yesterday. What are you doing with Take Profit Trader, Natasha? What are you doing? You're skinning them. But by the way, Natasha, I think if you're doing some good profits, I think they're gonna move you. Whoa! Big Zilog. Hey, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. So, Natasha, I think they're gonna move you to live account if you go to above 20,000 or something in profits. I think it's 20K. They're automatically moving you to live account. So that's good, I guess. Or maybe you're already on a live account. You're on a Pro Plus, maybe. I don't know. Oh, you got one live yesterday. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she's doing it. That's why I need to have some conversation with you. Awesome. Oh my god, that's awesome job. A live trader at Take Profit Trader. That is great. It's 20K in total, I think. I think it's 20K across all funded accounts. I mean simulated funded accounts, which is the Pro. Across all. So, yeah. Long oil, let's go, Admirals. And short copper. Somebody told me I should trade copper as well. Because it's simple to trade even if you just use, I mean, not simple, nothing is simple, but it reacts good to fundamentals. I don't know, Jay. I guess more activation fees. Or, yeah, oh, there is no activation fee. More evaluation accounts. to be failed. I'm not sure. They know the numbers, Jay. I guess they know, they see the statistics, the numbers of how many traders are failing these accounts. And, you know, 50% is only intuition. She has, I think Natasha developed a, I don't know, some kind of a sixth sense for the markets, which is really, really good. I mean, I wish, I'm watching these charts all the time, and I'm also getting nailed here. One to two risk to reward would be up there. Why do I feel like we're not finished with 657 now? I feel like it still wants to go down. When I look at the 15-minute chart, look at the 15-minute. Like, I don't know. Too early, Jonathan. Exactly. Stop loss hunter. This is the worst thing I just did. So locking in a loss because just want to save up a few bucks on the stop loss, and then the trade immediately goes into my way. I mean, I close the trade down here. I close the trade down there, and boom. Beautiful. Good job, Tom. Good job. That's how you do it. Yeah. By the way, Natasha, I know. I mean, I can imagine. I mean, that's a gift, by the way. Obviously, it takes focusing and watching the chart. So you cannot be distracted, I guess, especially if you're not scalping, but looking for short-term trades. I think it applies to most of us. So as a day trader, especially if you're really just scalping or looking for in and out quick, there's just no way. You cannot be distracted. So no distractions. You do the same thing a lot? Oh. Well, that's my biggest issue. I did the same exact mistake as of yesterday. Yesterday I did the same. I was in a short. Same thing happened. Live on stream. Closed it and it just dumped down. Yeah, I know, Admiral. Stop is good in that, but I'm okay with the intraday drawdown because that doesn't really concerns me because it's gonna lock in anyways, and I'm not trading big size, so I'm just using small positions, so I don't really care about the intraday trailing. And As for the payout policy, and I'm saying this with respect that Dallas, oh my God, we just have Dallas here. Subscribe. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. So as for the payout policy, and I'm saying this with all respect to Top Step, I don't like the payout policy at Top Step. That's it. I mean, not bad, absolutely not bad, but definitely not my favorite. So so that's it. But otherwise, Top Step is an awesome, great prop firm. So if so, it's okay to like ignore the chat for a little bit. No, I chose to be here on YouTube, right? So I like to build up this community, and I told you guys I'm building this up as a part-time business as well. But I'm especially like that when the New York session opens up. I told myself I'm gonna focus a little bit less on the live chat. I'm gonna look at the chart because the price is moving quite faster. So I cannot read everything, and I know I miss sometimes to answer, and I'm sorry about that. But I just have to focus on the chart movement, especially on quant hours. So not on TradingView. TradingView is lagging, by the way, but the way it comes directly on quant hour or TradeAway, whatever you use, you can compare it. Especially on the 1 and the 5 minute chart, that TradingView is always going to be lagging. So, and it's not printing the candles the way the other platforms are printing it. So I'm watching it, trying to develop that sixth sense like Natasha did. So yeah, I know there's no consistency, and that's why I think Top Step is awesome, and that's why it's a good thing that that Take Profit Trader also doesn't have consistency. And I know that that's the expert account with MyFundedFutures. They have no consistency, but I mean, depending on the position size. But I agree, Admirals, the no consistency is definitely a very good thing. But now I think Top Step is also capping the payouts. So they put a cap on the payouts. So basically, it's about the same as having a consistency rule, technically. I think. We just want you to succeed, just like we want to succeed. Exactly. On live, no cap. Yes, only on. That's what I'm saying. I was referring to the simulated account. Sorry, I haven't said that. Sorry, Ills. Yes. On the simulated funded accounts, there is no consistency. I mean, sorry, there is a cap. No consistency, but there is a cap. But on the live account, obviously you can make $1 million in a day if you want. So yeah, obviously. I was referring to simulated accounts. Man, this is gonna go to 38 and I'm gonna eat my hat, which is not on my head right now, but it's gonna go up. Iron Beam after props. Let's go. I mean, you only need like a few $1,000s, I guess, with these Iron Beam and TradeAway and what are the others? I don't know. Maybe AM futures. So these are good to go with like a few $1,000s, right? What happened if I left 1 hour and euro down 50 pips? I don't understand the question. I don't know. I mean, you left for 1 hour and euro is down 50 pips. If you have a stop loss, it's cool. You know, as long as you're managing risk, you know. Oh, you can pass top step in 1 day now. Yeah, that's it. That's good. That's good. Lost 1200 yesterday. Oh no. Crawling back. Up 1140 today. You basically got it back, man. Jonathan. Maybe you should just walk away now. I haven't heard that, by the way, that it's 1 day pass. Somebody might have said it, but I didn't know that they have a 1 day pass now. I didn't know that. It's 2 day. Okay, they have a 50% consistency rule on the combines. So it's 2 day pass. Yeah, because last time I checked it was a 50% consistency rule. But, you know, we never know. I'm looking for that 738. I entered into a small buy position, looking to break the 5-minute order block and going into that flat candle, and that is it. It's a very, very, very terrible entry, but the take profit trader account is in profit, so I'm okay with that. I'm risking about $100, so it's all right. It's just a brand new funded account, so it's all right. On the evaluation accounts only on evaluation accounts. On the XFA accounts there is none, but they are capping the payout. I mean, they're gonna, I don't know how it works. I don't know exactly the technical side. Like if you make, I don't know how much you have to make, $10,000 or 20,000 or something. I think the risk department, as they said on one of their live streams, are monitoring the accounts, especially the ones that are having huge runners, and they are maybe reaching out to the trader to close the positions and moving it to a live account. I don't know, something technical thing is going on, but they are capping the profits on the XFA accounts somehow. I know there is something because somebody talked about this on the live stream there, that as soon as they see someone piling up huge simulated profits on the XFAs, they're moving that person to a live account. So that is actually meaning that TopStep has actually a consistency rule on the simulated funded account, but on the live account obviously there is no consistency. 25k, okay, minimum 5 payouts, 5k per account, 5k per account. Okay, so there you go, 5k per account. So that actually means there is a consistency rule on the simulated accounts, which is okay. By the way, I would rather go with a prop firm that has a rule like this than with a prop firm that does not have any path to live accounts. I mean, Bulenox doesn't have a path to live. I heard some rumors that when somebody is really good, they might be reaching out to that trader to put the person onto a live account, but I never heard an example from anyone about that. But as long as a prop firm is having a path to a live account, that is very good, because that confirms that they are trying to do a sustainable business model for the long term. Anyway, I'm talking all kind of crazy stuff here. I just wanted to say that as long as they are capping the payouts on a simulated funded account, that is a consistency rule, basically. You cannot make all the money on a simulated account, but on a live account, you can. Exactly. What the Forex. Exactly. And you know, it's completely understandable. They run a business, and I said this before. I want to trade with a prop firm that has a path to live account, just to get rid of the bad actors and the ones who are abusing the system on the simulated funded account. So I have no problem with that. Exactly, Stop Loss Hunter. Somebody also said this, like, you can run it up, but they won't let you take it all. There's going to be some kind of a limit. Exactly. So Top Step is, so if you make $100,000 with 15 lots on a, I don't know, on a huge trade, they're not going to let you to get that, all that, if you were lucky on a big trade. 100% sure about that. They're not going to be letting you take all that money. I think the risk department is going to reach out to that trader, and they're going to come to an agreement. They're not going to pay $100,000 to a live account from their own pocket, I'm sure. Iron Beam, no minimum. $50 per micro? That's good. No minimum. Wow. I was thinking to start a live account. I just wasn't really ready. I wasn't feeling myself ready, like mentally, to be able to handle the stress. I lost a lot of money, I told you guys, years ago on my personal account on Forex, and that was a very dark time for me. That was a very, very, very dark period for me, and I'm still having PTSD about that. So you know. Anyway, next week 2,500. Let's go. 3% risk. Ills, I really wish you all the luck and success with that account. I think it's a huge step for anyone who is trading a personal account. So I'm good luck, and really I wish you all the success. Forex is unregulated, yeah. Is this gonna go for the flat candle? Is this going for the flat candle? All right, flat candle. We outlined this earlier. At least this account is brand new and it's up 466. So this is a 150K account. Obviously I could continue to push it, and the safety net is still way far ahead. So, but $466 for this account for today is okay. I'm not gonna push this account for the rest of the day. I'm fine with it. But look at how we talked about these levels, and let's just forget about this. as soon as the stream started, I said, look at this flat candle. That's going to be an interesting draw on liquidity for later. And although I closed it here, overall I'm still ended up in the green, but you know. And maybe it will go back to the midnight area. Who knows? Maybe. I'm not gonna enter now to a long position, that's for sure. I lost 100k personal money 2 years ago. Never gave up. Now this month, my best month with already 10k profit. Wow. Congratulations, Admirals. That is awesome, man. Yeah, I lost about, I don't even count it. I'm trying to forget it. I lost about $50,000 or $60,000 in Forex trading, personal money, not prop trading, not paying it to prop firms. It was a personal cash account, and not just not just. So I made multiple deposits. So I deposited $5,000, another $5,000, $3,000, $4,000, etc., etc. So I went all the way until like $50,000 or $60,000, and I burned it all. So I'm still, as I remember, the dark times. I was totally under the rug, really. I mean, if anyone would be asking me outside of trading, anyone, that what was my darkest time in my life, that was my, because I traded all my savings, I sold my cars, I did not have money at all. Totally broke. Absolutely broke. And the pandemic came. Oh my god, that was huge depression. Huge. Never ever. I'm still grateful, and I'm giving gratitude like all the time when I think about it, that I survived. Wow. Yes, earn to trade is good. Stop loss hunter, yeah, I heard about that. The same leverage as prop firms and anytime withdrawals. Oh, 6 micros. That's go. That's good. That's good deals. Hey, it was a nice buy there, yeah. Past 50% of our terminus, no more entries. You hate Forex. That was a disaster, yeah. Exactly. I shake when I think about it. I still shake when I think about it. I really. Yeah. The midnight area is 763, I guess. Maybe it's not an accurate number, but on the micro, the open was 763 on the micro. Is the New York midnight. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna get there, but now the daily candle looked like a bullish pin bar, so it could be pushing higher. Oh yeah, I was such ashamed of myself. I'm trying not to get emotional about it still when I remember, you know. FX trading is a bank's game. Yeah. 2008. Oh my god. Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, it changed us. Yeah. I was such ashamed of myself because my family, I mean, my mother, my father, my girlfriend, so they thought that I have some sort of financial stability because I had savings, right, which I burned on trading. I had some nice cars. I was working for an insurance company, which was, was okay, but I was saving up, and they were like, okay. But as I started to burn more and more money, at the first place, I didn't tell them. So when I was down only, quote unquote, only $10,000, $15,000, they already saw me that something is not okay with me. Something is not clapping. So something is not right. And I don't even remember the exact details, but I was like burning up all my savings. And one day I told that, hey, listen, I think I'm gonna sell the car because, you know. And then I had to talk about everything. I wanted to talk about everything. I kept it for a secret for a few months that I was in a losing streak. I kept it for a secret for a few months. And it was like, man. When the guy took away my BMW, which I loved, both my BMWs, and I handed over the keys, like in the movies, you know, like in the movies. I handed over the keys, and I was broken, like mentally, like, And you can believe it or you don't want to believe it. I don't care. I live in a different town. I don't live in the capital in Budapest. So I live 90 kilometers from Budapest. And I took the car to Budapest to sell it. I gave the keys and I took the bus home. I swear. I took the bus home. Imagine the feeling going up with the BMW 7 Series and taking the bus home. Imagine how I felt. And it was after I burned all my money. I was totally depressed. Yeah, I had some money in my pocket, but I was totally broken there. Absolutely. You know, it wasn't just about the money. It was that I built up something over the years, some savings, nice car, everything, you know, checks out. And now when I gave the keys and I walked to the bus station, it was like that 30 minutes until I walked to the bus station, it took forever for me. Like I was one of the stunt people from The Walking Dead. I was like, you know. Anyway, that was the longest bus ride ever. Anyway. So trust me, guys. When I say I'm not gonna try, I'm not feeling ready to trade my personal account yet. This is why. I'm good with prop firms for now. Yeah. Anyway, sorry I went down into the storyline. You know, let's move on. Took you 9 years to dig out that. Yeah. I can imagine that, Ills. Same story. Yeah. Are you aware if any people problem? If any people, no problems, Neil. Bulenox always pays. I just going to request another payout. So they always pay on every Wednesday. Just gotta make sure that, you know, you submit the requests on the previous week, and the next week is going to be the payment. Bulenox always pays. Going through some dark times yourself. Let's just say I need to get my together by May 1st, or you will lose a lot. Stop loss hunter, come on, get it together. Get it together, man. Come on. Forced repo. Oh yeah, it was a forced repo. Money is not important as love. Yeah, this was in 2000. When I had to sell my cars, it was late 2020. Early 2021. Oh, well, yeah. Definitely have to learn from it, you know. Definitely have to learn. Oh, thank you, Natasha. I'm not saying this to you know, to have you guys feel sorry or something. I just hope that, you know, someone would not do the same mistake like I did. If I just get that small little bug to someone's ear, just one person who can learn a little bit of a tiny thing from my experience, then it was not for nothing. So don't do the stupid thing like I did. And when I got to know prop firms, first FTMO at the first time, I said to myself, "Oh my God, what a stupid idiot was I am by not trading." I knew prop firms. I was aware of Audacity Capital, Audacity. I don't know how to pronounce it. I knew that they were existing, but I wasn't really into them. Like, I don't care about prop firms. I should have saved some money. Yes, I would do it. Yes, the way I would do it, Naomi. The reason why I would do it is because that money actually is coming from the prop firms. So it's not the same money that I saved up by working at an insurance company, 9 to 5 job or 8 to 4 whatever, and saving that money. That money comes from profits from the prop firm. So if they put me into a live account, mentally it would be, I guess it would be a little bit different, because after all, it's just numbers on the screen, right? So I didn't see that money on my personal bank account. It's just a number on the screen until it's under the umbrella of the prop firm or brokerage. So that money never ever landed. So it's easier to accept that, okay, it says live account, but really, does it matter? The trade is the same, the chart is the same, the setup is the same. So I guess it should be easier, I think. Very similar. Sold your car back in 19 to invest FTMO. Yeah, right. I completely get it. Yeah, I completely get you there. You haven't received the payout. It's gonna happen. Neil, it's gonna happen in New York business hours. So trust me, Neil, it's going to happen. Most likely, it can be in the PM session, New York PM session. So Wednesday just started. Wait until New York PM session. All right. You might gonna receive an email or something. Sometimes I received it. Sometimes I received it during the London session. Yes, but sometimes I received it in the PM session, in New York PM session. So it's gonna be okay, Neil. If you're not receiving it, just send a message to support. They're gonna. There was one time when it was end of the PM session, and I still didn't receive the payment from Bulenox, and I sent them a message to support, and they were apologizing. In about 20 minutes, I got the message like, "Oh, we apologize. There must have been a hiccup or something that they wrote," and in about 30 minutes, they wired the money. So I guess that was a manual error. One time, it was one time, and they just immediately wired it. So do you recover, or how long took? For me, it took to recover from 2021 almost 3 years. Almost more than 3 years. Yeah, more than 3 years to recover to a level. I had to buy a car because I had no car, and you can see that car in the car video. I was driving that Mazda, which was full of rust, but it cost me $1,000. That's what I could buy. But I used that car. It was a great car, and it took me years, 3 years. Let's go. I need to put the risk manager hat back on to get out. Yeah, I know how it feels. And by the way, yeah, so going on social media, especially on X, X is a little bit toxic. I'm sorry to say this, but in my personal opinion, I mean, I'm on there, yes, I know, but X is full of toxic people regarding trading prop firms. It doesn't matter which prop firm. It doesn't even matter, anyway, which strategy, ICT, whatever. I think X is full of toxicity. And not just that. Anyway, respect to those who are not, obviously, because there are lots of normal people out there as well, but but I think X is just throwing garbage at each other most of the time, I think. Yeah, we all have. Woman tow truck driver. Repoed your BMW, a woman tow truck driver. Group hug, everybody, group hug. Right. I responded with earn to trade and top step, but the moment my mind shifted. Yes, exactly. That's the issue with everybody. Why not paying a buffer? Yeah, that's the issue. I had a Mazda 323, if that's what you're asking. Mazda 323, 2003. that was my go-to car in the recovery years. Exactly, Ills. X. Oh, you said it so. That's perfectly said. Oh, I have to copy that. I'm gonna straight copy that sentence, and I'm gonna put it to put that out to X. Oh, you said it beautifully, Ills. Nice. I just put it out there. I had to tweet that out. Thank you, Unique Team, and I wish everybody. I just wanted to say this because learn from it. I hope someone can learn from it. I mean, don't do the same stupid things I did. There you go, Wheels. There you go. By the way, I know it sounds weird, but there was a structure shift again. I did not want it to go into a short. No, I just don't like that. I just don't like it. Oh, then you should rest up, Natasha. Exactly. Have a good rest and see you later, Natasha. Thanks for joining. You followed me. Oh, thank you. Thank you, girls. Since the beginning. Oh, nice. Nomadic Canadian. Hello, long time. Wow. Seems like we're having some OGs coming back today. We had some others as well. Oh, well, yeah, all is good. Oh, thank you. Well, I shared this like a few times now in the past 2.5 years, but I really hope it can help. You're old? Yes, you're not old, don't worry. Too long. Yeah, it's been too long, man. How you been doing? What's up with you? What's going on? Greg. What's up, Greg? Just grinding away like the rest of us. Oh yeah, refining. That's good if you're refining new strategies. But you know what I always say, like, maybe try to go with one or two strategies and you know, try to fine tune it. At least that's what I think. And I'm not just saying this to you. I think, by the way, strategy hopping might not be always the best idea, but it depends if you're fine tuning, you know. Yeah, the mentality is more than anything. And you being saying that, I just want to say that most of these strategies, I think, I mean, even if you just traded the trend line, ICT, support resistance, whatever, Wyckoff or Elliott waves, whatever you name it, I think most of these strategies are working and they do have an edge. But at the end, it comes down, as Nomadic Canadian said, the mentality, aka risk management, discipline, whatever you want to call it. That's all that matters in the end. I could be just trading with a simple trend line. All it's going to matter is if I manage my risk, and that's it. Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Greed and fear, yeah. Oh, the Discord, Greg. I know I said it this week. I'm gonna get back to you on this in the afternoon because, believe it or not, I'm gonna be meeting with the guy online after lunch hour. So I'm gonna have more details on it because technically it's ready. I don't know why is he he's still an admin just like I am, but he's refurbishing something with there's going to be a bot, a mod bot or something, I don't know. But ended up shorting 45 minis. 45? Wow. Is it more challenging for you to trade since Trump inauguration? I wouldn't say so. Yes, I had some unexpected losses, but that was due to my lack of risk management. So I would say yes. Again, we had 1 or 2 days when Trump tweeted out something or said something which wrecked the market. But other than that, I think the you know, guys, I trade smart money. So I also say, and not because of ICD, but I also agree that there is an algorithm or multiple algorithms handling the market, of course. So I just want to say that despite Trump, I think the algorithms are doing their job, just like now in this London session. So the algorithm did the job here as well. So, of course, in New York session, got to make sure Trump is not speaking. That's it, because who knows. But today is going to be Powell, of course. But, you know, Trump, I wouldn't say it gave me too much difference. I think all is about the same, especially in the I think, you know, the New York PM sessions are definitely much more like calm, not too many heavy moves. more predictable movements, maybe not the big moves like in the AM session sometimes, but not that I trade too much in the PM session, but as I review the day, I can see some very nice algorithmic delivery moves in the PM sessions. Long 30 micros, yes, let's go, Wheels. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I was eyeballing with the short, by the way. So here's the shoulda, woulda, coulda section. This is what I was eyeballing. And look at the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Boom. Liquidity has been swept. So again, a classic 2022 entry model just played out here. And I'm saying in this because you guys know me, I'm an ICT or smart money trader most of all. And look at this. Beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward down to this liquidity here. This is an A++ setup. This here. It doesn't really get any better than that. And if you're looking for where you're asking where is the market structure shift, I'm gonna let you know because there's one more check mark that is missing. The market structure shift. Here it is. Bearish market structure shift. There you go. A++ setup. Right there. That's the A++ entry. We have a good liquidity target. We have a liquidity sweep. Market structure shift, fair value gap, optimal trade entry, boom. 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is a textbook A++. Yeah, by the way, stop loss hunter. It's good that you're saying that. One of my goals is to have on average about 2 trades a day. I cannot say 1 because I can't stop at 1. But maybe 2, maximum 3 trades a day. I try to average down as much as I can. Hindsight Capital, I'm a member. All right. Overstrider, surprise quick move. The market comes back to where it was before Trump. So, yeah, something like that. This was such a beautiful trade. I'm already feeling the FOMO. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful optimal trade entry here. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Why did I miss this? Actually, can't be too greedy. The next setup will come. But this was beautiful. And since we are here, let me outline this on the downside as well, all right? Liquidity sweep. Entry. Sorry, market structure shift. Let's just go over this. I think it's a good thing if we review what happened here. There was a market structure shift here. Bullish market structure shift. I know it's just a wick, but there is something, I'm going to get back to this, something I might going to be using differently in the future. Anyway, there was a market structure shift entry here, even if you're just entered immediately and didn't wait for the optimal trade entry, which was down there in the liquidity. Volume imbalance down there. So let's just say entry here, stop loss here. I exited this trade. So 1 to 2 risk to reward. up there. And the fair value gap is there. There you go. A++ setup. A++ setup. That's what you need. Boom. Boom. And there's not going to be one more like this in this London session, at least, I think. So maybe in New York. But this was a beautiful delivery here. Beautiful. That's how you get funded. Yeah. That's the price of that market shift. What's the price of that market shift? Up here is up here was 739.75 ish, maybe 740, and down here it was 674.50 ish. Who designed your graphics for stream? It was me. I'm sorry, I'm not a computer geek. I just bought the overlay, so the one you see here, this I don't know what this is. I bought some stuff on some website, but that's all. And a friend of mine helped me to set up Streamlabs. Oh yes, Jay, I agree. 338 is a breaker for him as a fair value gap. You can enter inside it. Oh yeah. That's true. Venom, by the way, Venom. I think we talked about with you the other day, but you might have been here yesterday. So I got confirmed by Apex that where is that anyway? I got confirmed by Apex that it does not affect the withdrawal. You know, where is that? That was yesterday. Where is that? Where is that? I need to find it. That was yesterday. Oh, here it is. So here's the thing. So I sent a message to Apex. I remember we were talking about this. If I have requested 517 from the account on March 2nd, I got denied because of the 30% rule. Since I have then continued for the next 8 payout cycle, okay. Can I request $1,000 withdrawal? Has been some speculation in social media. I said it to them. So am I only eligible for the $558 above that 517? And so I got the email. I got the email that such speculation is not true. You refer to the fact you are eligible for the minimum payout of 500. In case you have an additional 575, hence the total that you may request is 1075. So it's not affecting it. And also I had them confirm so I said I sent them a message. There is only one thing I need to confirm actually. Am I still eligible for a request of $1,075 after I got denied last time for 517, or just the amount that exceeds that amount, which is 558? And so they replied, I wanted to clarify what happens. This new request will be based on your account balance at that time. Whatever amount you requested during the denial period won't affect this new request. So you're starting fresh with the updated balance. So at least they confirmed it. Yeah. So this is the interesting sentence here, and if they're gonna deny me because of something like this, at least I have some proof that whatever amount you requested during the denied payout won't affect this new request. So you're starting fresh with the updated balance. That's the most important sentence here. So they pretty much confirmed it back to me. So that it should not be affecting, is just what I wanted to say. The previous payout denial should not be affecting the current payout. I mean, in terms of the amount. And I also made a screenshot. It's somewhere here. This is the screenshot. Here, watch this section. Please enter an amount between 500 and 1074. So I entered 1074, obviously, when I requested it. And here's the previous payout denial, 517. So I'm going to use all this information, and I'm saving everything just in case I would get some negative thing here. But anyway. Reset yesterday a take for trader account and bought a new one. But my payment is still pending and they have not answered my message yet. Did you no, I haven't. Did you talk to support? Hold on just a second. That you need to be above the balance when you request last time. Oh. Yes, that's what it means. Yeah. It is you can. Okay, so a little bit Hungarian here. Szóval Zoltán, szerintem a chaten meg kéne próbálnod újra felvenni velük. Én nem értem, hogy miért nem válaszolnak. Vagy megkeresni van-e egy e-mail címük esetleg, és odaírni. Biztos vagyok benne, hogy fognak. Én ilyet még nem tapasztaltam soha. Semmiféle negatívumot nem tapasztaltam, de chaten, business órákban, tehát munkaidőben kellene írni nekik. Mert akkor ott vannak, és válaszolnak viszonylag hamar. Nyiss egy új chat ablakot, vagy töröld ki a browserből azokat, vagy nem. Egy új chatet elvileg tudnál nyitni. Nem válaszolnak. Nekem se válaszolt, tegnap úgy volt, hogy írtam nekik, és 2 oroszával később jött válasz, amit e-mailbe küldtek. Mert annyira elfoglaltak voltak. Nekem is volt egy ilyen, de 2 órával később jött e-mail. Oké. Nem tudom. Próbáld meg újra. Sorry guys, just a little bit of a help here for the fellow Hungarian trader. They reset it and you have to trade that. Yeah. London or equal low on trading CME. Other platform like Ninja that print like yours. That's interesting. Oh, they have an automatic system for the 30%. Yeah. Maria, good morning. Yes, I'm on the new contract. I'm on the June contract. Yes. You feel the hunger now. All right. Yeah, we have the new contract. So as you can see, the June contract already having more volume. So if you haven't switched, I suggest for anyone to switch to the June contract. It's going to be having more volume. Cleaner price action, cleaner candles. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to call it here. I'm not gonna take more trades. Getting ready for the New York session. All right. So overall, ended up in profit on the new Take Profit Trader funded account, which was great. And that is it for this London session. Thank you so much for everybody for being here and watching. I'll be back for New York on time this time. All I can say is that you guys are awesome. Thanks for the support. If you would like to support the channel and the journey, then please use my code. Tom Sabo code works at most of these prop firms to get the best available discounts and resets. At MyFundedFutures, there's not much discount right now, but even if you type in my code, that gives a bit of a credit to the stream. So thank you very much, everyone. I do appreciate it. And God bless you all. I'll be back for the New York session. All right. Have a good one. Have a good one. All right. Cheers, everybody.